Here we go. What are you doing?
Fishing.
You're fishing?
Yes.
Who's fishing with you?
I'm fishing with
Is that
you.
Mr. Dave?
Yes. Daddy. It's hot.
Kaylin, I never know when you have a fish because we keep on moving it.
Say hi. There's Tammy.
Hi.
There's the dam.
No, just be still. Look, Carly is just sitting there waiting patiently. No, you don't have anything yet. You know what, Jill? On the way in, go about like 20 foot out from the bank, shoreline.
Hi.
Yeah, well, yeah, you can.
We're the real heir of the team.
Say hi, Carly.
So yeah, troll along the bank line, and maybe one of the girls.